Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to set up Zelle with the Bank of America. If you want to use the Zelle with the Bank of America, you have to first open the Bank of America mobile banking app. After that you have to sign in and tap pay and transfer, and then you have to select Zelle and follow the on-screen instruction. You can also add the Bank of America widget to your home screen to link straight to your contacts, giving you fast direct access to send and request money. You can easily send and request money with Zelle. To send money, you can tap pay and transfer and then select Zelle and then send. After that, select your recipient. Then you have to enter the amount and select your funding account. Include an optional note and tap send money. To receive money, you have to tap pay and transfer and then Zelle. Then tap setting and follow the instruction. Check your text message or email for one-time code. Then next time someone send you money, it will be available in your account within minutes. Hopefully this video help you to set up your Zelle with the Bank of America. Thanks for watching.